Hello friends. Today we will learn about Pran Mudra. Before we start discussion about this mudra, we should learn about what is Pran. Pran means life. Anything without Pran means lifeless. So, Pran is life, life force, vital force, and Pran Mudra is called Mudra of life. We have to learn the important concept of five pran or five vayus. These are five types of air present in the body. One is pran vayu, second saman vayu, third is apan vayu, fourth udan vayu, fifth is vayan vayu. Actually, there are five minor airs also present in the body, but we will discuss them later on in some other video. The most important air among all these is called Pranvayu. Each Vayu has its own place in the body. Pranvayu stays from the throat up to the heart and diaphragm. It involves both the lungs and it helps in lung functioning, breathing, that is inhalation, and exhalation both. Another important concept we have to learn is that there is a constant flow of energy in our body, and energy can be logged in the form of hand mudras, and these can be performed to guide this flow of energy and utilize for the benefit of our own self. Another thing we should know, our hand represents all the five elements. Thumb denotes fire, index finger denotes air, middle finger denotes space, ring finger earth, and little finger water element. We know water is essential because it forms 70% of our body, and the majority of the remaining part is earth. Fire is the warmth of the body which is necessary for life. If we balance all these three in the form of Pran Mudra, the major airs of our system is balanced, and it leads to physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual benefits. Now we see how to make these hand gestures. Sit down in a meditative pose, maybe Padmasan, Sukhasan, Siddhasan, or Vajrasan, with spine and head straight in one line. Make Pran Mudra by touching tip of ring finger and little finger with the tip of thumb, and keep your awareness on breathing and fingertips. Also feel the energy flowing in the fingers and whole body. Now we see the benefits of Pran Mudra. This is most important mudra as it activates each cell, fiber, muscle, joint, and neurons of the body. It balances the hormones and emotions. It rejuvenates the degenerated. It energizes the lethargic. Because this is elixir of life. It strengthens the life force and pran. It works maximum on the area of pran vayu, that is lungs. It improves asthma, bronchitis, TB, pneumonia, cough, and cold. Efficacy of blood circulation is also improved because of better lungs. Better oxygenation of blood leads to more of pure blood in the supply, which decreases the impurity. It balances the water, which helps in better functioning and pumping action of heart. Moreover, heart also lies in the area of pranvayu. Excess or deficiency of water is also tackled at the cellular level. The most important role of this gesture is increase in vital force of life and leads to better strength, stamina, and immunity. better mental focus and awareness. It helps in improving memory, so it is helpful for students. They can apply it while learning some difficult concept. Even Gyan Mudra is good for students, but I find this mudra better because for students, on one hand it removes the dullness and lethargy, and on the other hand it calms down the mind. It helps in personality development and confidence in students and adults. Another important point which needs a highlight in our lifestyle is we all spend lot of time in front of TV, mobile or computers, which causes weakness of eyes and restlessness of mind. This hand gesture helps in improvement of eyesight and mental peace. Progression of cataract can be delayed. Anyone sick or suffering can also do it. It may be flu, fever, tumor, cancer, injury, or any other disease. It helps in early recovery and improves strength. As this hand gesture balances the earth element, which means nutritional deficiencies are also taken care. Anyone who is fasting and apply pran mudra will be better able to control hunger and thirst. It also helps in patients with thyroid disease, inflammatory bowel disease, low blood pressure, acidity, ulcers, stomach disorders, and numbness of limbs. Remember, meditation is to be done with the medication. Always continue the medicines prescribed by doctors. Those who want to do it for spiritual purpose are also benefited because it can help in uplifting the pranic energy, and many more beneficial effects are there which are beyond the scope of this video. In the nutshell, everyone can do it. There are no side effects. For the best results, do it in meditative pose with spine straight for 48 minutes with awareness on breathing and energy flow regularly and with faith. If one cannot do it in this way, then you can do it lying down while working, traveling, watching TV, or anytime. Work with anytime when your fingers are free to work for you. You can do it in 2 or 3 divided parts like 16 minutes 3 times a day or 24 minutes 2 times a day. If you find this video useful, then like, subscribe and share it. Press the bell icon to get the next upload. Thank you. God bless you.